Dear students, in this video, we are going to study about cost of long-term debt and cost of debenture. So cost of debenture is classified into two types. First is cost of irredeemable debt and cost of redeemable debt. The cost of irredeemable debenture are those cost, or this is the cost of debenture which are not redeemed after by the issuer of a debenture is known as irredeemable debenture. And suppose the maturity period of that debenture is over. After that, further you cannot redeem that debentures. Okay, such kind of debentures which cannot be redeemed or which are irredeemable in nature, such kind of cost of the debenture are called as cost of irredeemable debenture. The cost of debentures not redeemable or irredeemable during the lifetime of the company is calculated by below. So there is a formula which we have seen, like the formula is KD equal to 1 divided by NP into bracket 1 minus T, where KD stands for cost of debt, I stand for annual interest payment, and 1 will be constant there, and NP stands for net proceeds of debenture or current market price, and T stands for tax rate. Let us see one problem. 5 years ago, Sona Limited issued 12% irredeemable debentures at 103 at 3 premium to their par value of rupees 100. The current market price of this debenture is 94. If the company pays corporate tax at the rate of 35%, what is its current cost of debenture capital? Okay, so see, as I've told you in the theoretical part in the previous video, that the debenture, it can be issued on the basis of three things. First is at the basis of par, at the basis of premium, and at the basis of discount. Par means when the shares are issued at the same face value. Okay, whatever face value is there, at the same face value it is issued in the market. Such kind of issue of the debenture, it is called as issued at par. Premium means when you are going to issue for more than that of the face value. Okay, suppose the face value is 100 and you are issuing it for 103 rupees. So that 3 rupees extra what you are charging is called as premium, while discount is issuing less than that of the face value. Okay, now let us see about the problematic part here. We need to calculate the cost of debt. The formula is KD equal to 1 divided by NP into bracket 1 minus T, where KD is cost of debt. Now we need to know about interest, which is already given, that is 12%, divided by, we don't have to take that 103 or we don't have to take that 100 as the par value, because 100 is the face par value and 103 is the value of the premium. But the market price is how much? That NP stands for market price or net proceeds. So the market price is given, that is 94. So 12 divided by 94 into bracket 1 minus tax rate he has given as 35. Now this is 35 percentage. You need to convert that in decimal. So 35 divided by 100, when we do, we'll get 0.35. Okay, 1 minus 0.35. Okay, when you divide 12 divided by 94 into the answer, like 0.65 into 0.65, when we do it, we will get 0.08297 in decimal point. And again, when we multiply it by 100, we will get in percentage as 8.30%. This is the cost of debenture capital. Okay, this is irredeemable debt or irredeemable debenture. Okay, now there is one more formula. This is, suppose if he is asking you in the problem that the debentures are irredeemable, then you have to use this formula. KD equal to 1 divided by NP into bracket 1 minus T, if the cost of debt is irredeemable. Suppose in the problem it is told that the cost of debt is redeemable. Okay, after a maturity, again the debentures are redeemable if they want. Now in that case, this formula will not be applicable, right? So we need to use one more formula for that. So that formula is cost of redeemable debenture, okay, that is denoted as KD, equal to 1 into bracket 1 minus T plus RV minus NP divided by N whole divided by RV plus NP divided by 2. Okay, so this formula is applicable when the cost of redeemable debenture is given in the problem, where I is again interest payment. Whatever interest you are paying, that is denoted as interest payment I. N is net proceed from the debenture. In case of new issue of debenture, if it is a net proceed, or it can be market price in case of existing debenture. So N can be either net proceeds or it can be the current market price. Okay, RV is redemption value of debenture. So that redemption value will be given to you in the problem. Okay, if you redeem again the debentures, the value whatever you will get after redeeming the debenture, that is called as redemption value, and that redemption value of the debenture will be given. T is tax rate and N is the life of debenture or number of years, right? So the above formula we will use to calculate the cost of debt. Okay, so whatever cost of debt is there, that we will follow it. And suppose here the debentures are issued at discount or redeemed at premium. So if discount or issue premium are tax deducted, so the formula, like we'll just interchange the formula here. Let us see here. Cost of redeemable debenture, where I plus RV divided by NP divided by N, where RV plus NP divided by 2 into bracket 1 minus T. So I guess the same formula, only somewhat change is done. That is because is in the absence of specific information, they can refer the above formula also. But I guess only one formula you utilize is that the first formula will say it. Okay, let us see this problem. A company issues 10,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10% on 1/4/2017 to be matured on 1/4/2022. The debentures were redeemed on maturity. Compute the cost of debentures assuming 35% as tax rate. So this is the problem given to us. We need to find out, as you can see here, he has told you all the informations and he has told you that debentures were redeemed. Whenever you will get these kind of words like debentures are redeemable or debentures is redeemed or redeemable debentures, so that sentence is whenever the word redeem has come, you don't have to use the formula KD into bracket 1 minus T. KD into bracket KD equal to I into bracket 1 minus T. That formula won't be applicable. This formula will be applicable, that is KD equal to 1 into bracket I into bracket 1 minus T plus RV minus NP divided by N whole divided by RV plus NP divided by 2. Okay, so now let us see, we will calculate the each component first, then we'll put in the formula, and after putting that in the formula we'll get the cost of redeemable debt. Okay, so let us see first of all I. So I is the interest on debentures, that is 10%. See, like in the last problem, we took only the percentage. But here what we have to do is, because there are different values we have to put in the formula. So we need to convert that in the form of the values. Okay. So now interest is how much? It is 10% of what? It is of 100 rupees each, right? Out of 100 rupees, you will get 10% as the interest. So when you find out the 10% of 100, right, so we'll get 10 rupees as the interest. So we wrote 10%. Now NP. So NP, what he has told you, it is on premium, right? NP, net proceed is issued on generally on a premium. Okay, now if you see 100 is a par value, right? A face value of that 10% you have to increase. 100 of that 10% is 10 rupees. So 100 plus 10 rupees is 110 rupees. That is net proceeds. Redemption value is 100 rupees. The same value, whatever it is given in the problem, that is redemption value. Then period of debenture is given in the problem, that is 5 years. So we can count here 2017 from 1/4/2017 to 1/4/2022. Okay, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So there are totally 5 years, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So there are totally 5 years. So the period of debenture is 5 years. Now tax rate. The tax rate is already given in the problem, 35%. Now we need to convert this into decimal. 35 divided by 100, when you do, you'll get 0.35. Okay, let us put this all information in the formula. So KD equal to 10 into bracket 1 minus 0.35. 1 is the constant figure here, while tax rate is 35, 0.35, we'll put that, plus RV minus NP divided by N. So RV is redemption value 100 minus NP is 110 divided by N, that is number of years or period of a debenture, that is 5 years. Again RV plus NP divided by 2. 100 plus 110 divided by 2. Okay, when you put all this calculation, when it is done, you will get 10 into 0.65 minus 2 divided by 105. Okay, when you do 10 into 0.65 minus 2, you will get 4.5 divided by 105. So finally the answer we will get is 0.0428 in decimal. Again multiply that by 100, you will get 4.28%. Okay, so this is the calculation of cost of the cost of redeemable kind of debt. Right, this is the cost of redeemable kind of debt. Let us see one more problem. A company issues 10%, 10,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each on 1/4/2017 to be matured on 1/4/2022. Okay, 1/4/2022. The company wants to know the current cost of its existing debt, and the market price of the debenture is 80 rupees. Okay, the market price is 80 rupees. Compute the cost of existing debentures assuming 35% and tax rate. Okay, we need to calculate by taking all this information given to us. There is also required that tax rate is given, the current market price is given, interest is given. So again, this is also a problem of a redeemable kind of debt. Okay, redeemable kind of debt, because everything maturity value is given and all other things are given to us. Okay, when you put all the values here, I is the interest on debenture, that is 10% of 100, 10 rupees. Market price correct was given 80 rupees. Redemption value will be same, it is 100 rupees. And period of debentures is 5 years, and tax rate is 35%, that is 0.35. Okay, now let us put in the formula. First of all, I, that is interest, we have got 10 rupees into bracket 1 minus tax rate, 1 minus 0.35 plus RV minus NP. So RV redemption value is 100 minus the current market price, because this might issued have on a discount price. So 80 divided by 5 years, again 100 plus 80 divided by 2. So you will get 10 into 0.65 plus 4 whole divided by 90. So you will get 10.5 divided by 90, and the final answer will be 0.1166, or in terms of percentage 11.67 percentage. Okay, in terms of percentage we'll get 11.67 percentage.